It's learning time! Today we're learning the sound I. Can you say it with me? I. Let's say it one more time. I. Well done. Here is uppercase I and here is lowercase I. The letter I makes the sound I. Now, can you think of any word that begins with this sound? Let's learn a few together. Igloo. I as in igloo. Ink. I as in ink. Insects. I as in insects. Injection. I as in injection. Iguana. I as in iguana. Invite. I as in invite. Infant. I as in infant. Inside. I as in inside. Ill. I as in ill. India. I as in India. Now let's see if you can find some objects that begin with the I sound in this picture. Ink. We found ink. Insect. We found insect. Instrument. We found instrument. Good job finding objects that begin with the sound I. Don't forget the uppercase I and the lowercase I make the sound I. Keep practicing to identify objects that begin with this sound around you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.